channel. If you're new here, my name is Jenny and I am documenting my journey to lose 200 pounds. I'm well on my way, just over 100 pounds, and I'm sharing with you guys all of my tips and tricks on what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. So let me tell you a little bit about what's been going on and what I've got planned for this week. If you've been following along, you know that the last 2 weeks I was traveling for work. I spent a week in New Jersey and a week in Las Vegas doing installations of a couple of senior living communities. And it was crazy. It was a lot of travel. It was really busy. But I did a fairly decent job of sticking to plan and staying on track. I did have a couple of nights where I ate off plan, but the next day I started right back up again. I brought all my fuelings with me. I packed them in bags and I had them all organized. If you guys haven't watched my last video, check it out. I'll link it up here. I don't know what site it goes on, but I'll link it. And then you can check it out and see how I did. I did my best to document all the days, but honestly, you guys, by week 2, I was just so spent that it was hard to even function, let alone remember to record things. So week 2 was good. Vegas was good. I ate eggs almost every morning for some extra protein. I was walking between 3 and 6 miles a day doing this installation, so it really took a lot out of me, so I wanted to make sure that I wasn't totally depleted. So I did eat extra protein while I was there. Now that I am back home, I'm very excited to get back to my routine and back to norm. So I am going to do a Costco run. So I will share with you some of the things that I get at Costco. And then I'm going to do a little bit of meal prepping, cook up some of my lean proteins. I couldn't get the words out. Lean protein. I will cook some of that up. So I will show you guys what I'm doing and setting myself up for this week so that I can continue on this journey. I will weigh in tomorrow, so I cheated yesterday and I'm down a few pounds, but I drank so much water trying to rehydrate from being in the airplane on Friday. So I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to do my official weigh in and see, but it feels really good to be back in the fat loss forward motion. So anyway, I will update you guys with that, and let's check out my my Costco haul and my meal prep. So anyway, here we go. For my Costco haul, I started out in the dairy case where I grabbed some whipped cream because I love to add that to my brownie and my pudding. I did not get any egg whites, but they have them there, cage-free egg whites. I think it's an awesome option. You can use that for your protein or use it in other things. And then, are you even allowed to go to Costco and not get toilet paper? Because I don't think that's allowed. So anyway, got my toilet paper. I love this grass-fed sirloin. I make it with the spring mix in an awesome steak salad. Fantastic, easy dinner. Always need some Parmesan cheese, and this is my favorite. So the Kevin's chicken dishes, I do not know the portion sizes. I'm going to ask nutrition support about them, but I got them and they're great. Here's some Chobani Zero Sugar Yogurt. You can eat these as part of your leanest protein for the day. So I got some of those, and yeah, off we go, heading around Costco. It's so busy on the weekends in Costco, and I wasn't tempted by a single sample. This is one of my staples. Always have this in my freezer. The cauliflower stir fry. It's super easy to throw in and in a pot and saute up, and then just add some protein. I got these 2 different types of vegetable blends. They look amazing. Organic vegetables seasoned with avocado oil and a little bit of sea salt. So I'm excited to try them. Once again, I haven't figured out the portion size and compliance with Optavia yet, but I'll update you once I know for sure. And then this is my calm drink that I drink every night before bed, the magnesium drink. So good day at Costco, lots of fun finds. I am going to be set up for the week. So tonight I'm going to cook up a bunch of protein just to get myself set up. So I have 4 packages of ground turkey, and then I have 1 package of boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I'm gonna cook up. Okay, while my turkey is cooking over there, I'm going to get my chicken breasts ready. I'm just gonna George Foreman them. I don't know why I don't just adjust the camera, but yeah, it's me. Instead of like doing the whole barbecue thing for just a couple chicken breasts, George Foreman is awesome. And so that's how I'm gonna cook these guys up. But I'm gonna season them up with some lemon pepper first. Sorry, I had to wash my hands. I get like really weirded out with chicken and goop on my hands, so I am constantly in the sink washing my hands. One sec, gotta stir the turkey. Okay, I've got George back here warming up, and I'm gonna throw some lemon pepper on my chicken. I guess I need to open this first. Ugh. I'm really making these for Jeff because he's a huge lemon pepper fan, and so this is his flavoring of choice. Okay, on to the grill. Okay, before I put the chicken on, I'm gonna spray with a little bit of my chosen avocado cooking spray so they don't stick. Grilling at its finest. Okay, it looks like our chicken is done. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells incredible. I think I'm gonna leave it on for a few more minutes. It looks a little pink around those like thicker edges. Give a little bit more time. Okay, for my turkey meat, I'm gonna put some taco seasoning in it and just make it turkey taco meat. It's a staple around here, and you can make a bazillion different things with it. So this is my homemade taco seasoning. If this is something that you're interested in and would like to know my recipe, comment below taco seasoning and I will do a video with my recipe. So I'm just adding the taco seasoning, which I need to make some more, so it's perfect timing. And then I'm gonna add some water just to help the seasoning absorb, and then also help keep the turkey from drying out because it tends to do that. Okay, while that's going, chicken is done, and like seriously, now I was gonna eat that for dinner, and now I want to eat this. This looks and smells so good. Okay, so while that is simmering a little bit, the water's burning off, sauces or the seasoning is getting incorporated. I wanted to talk seasonings real quick. So I went a little heavy-handed, gonna admit. I'm really bad at measuring. If you've been watching my videos, you know this. So I usually just eyeball it. This was more turkey meat than I usually make, so I went a little overboard. As far as Optavia guidelines for seasoning, they count as something, and I don't remember right now. However, I don't really count them. I don't use them in excess, but the last thing I want is to eat bland food. So I figure that a little bit of seasoning here and there isn't going to throw me that far out of fat burn. But please do seasoning at your own judgment. If you want to be like to the book, on plan, then count them. I just putting the disclaimer out there. So this was a little much. Don't do this. Okay, so tonight for dinner, I'm going to make a taco salad. So I have my food scale right here, and this is the bowl I'm gonna use, and I just put it on there and zero it out. And then this is the spring mix, organic spring mix that I got from Costco, from my Costco haul. And I'm just gonna measure it out in the bowl. Let me show you too how I know how much. So I keep printouts of the conversion chart here. I keep it on a cookbook stand, like I put it in a notebook and keep it on a cookbook stand. So this is spring mix. So when you go back to lettuces, spring mix, 1 green serving is 1.5 ounces. So if I'm gonna make this all 3 of my greens, I'm going to get 4.5 ounces of spring mix. So, ooh, I think I just put that in turkey juice. Whoa. Okay, here we go. So it's at 0. And I'm at 2 ounces. It's amazing how light lettuce is. 2.7, 3, 3.5. There's 4.4, 4.4, 4.5. Okay, there's my salad. And then because I am doing turkey, which is the leanest, I get a healthy fat. I get 2 healthy fats. So I'm gonna use avocado as my salad dressing. I have zeroed out my scale again, and I get 7 ounces of turkey meat. If I want to just do turkey, if I wanted to add some cheese to this, I totally can. I just need to take off some of the ounces of turkey. I'm just gonna go straight turkey tonight. So there's 2, 5.2, 6.3. That was a little extra. 7.2. Okay, 7 ounces. So you guys, dinner is served. I've got turkey meat now left for Jeff to eat during the week. Well, thanks for spending some time with me and checking out what all I have been doing. And I hope that if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. Follow along. I'm going to continue posting more fun things as this journey continues. And if there is, what I want to know. I want to know what your favorite thing to get at Costco is, because I definitely have mine. So drop in the comments what your favorite Costco find is. I would love to hear about it. Okay, you guys, have a fantastic day. Thanks for spending time with me, and I will check in with you again next week. Okay, see ya.